If you have shaky hands and you struggle with applying eyeliner, then today's tutorial might help. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you this magic wand. It's called the Guide Wand with the Guide Eyeliner to get those perfect wing liners and beautiful strokes, even if you don't have a sturdy hand. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's get done with the brows first before we move to the eyes, and I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade 6 today. I usually use 4.5, but my brows are a tad deeper today, so I'm going to be using 6. Days when I bleach my brow hair, when it's lighter, I end up using a 4.5 or 5. I like to draw light hair-like strokes to keep it looking as natural as possible. First in the top part of my brows, and then I use the spoolie to brush my brow hair upward so I can take care of the lower part of my brows. Next, I'm using the Milani concealer. This is in the shade 145 to clean up underneath the brows. And I'm also going to use it on my lid to even out the skin tone. And that'll serve as a base for the eyeshadows. And before this concealer starts to settle in those fine lines, I'm going to set it with some translucent powder by Lottie London to prevent it from creasing. Usually when I demonstrate eyeliners, I just keep the focus on the liner and I don't do any eyeshadows, but a lot of you wanted to see it with eyeshadows. So today I'm going to be using the Love for Sale palette by House Labs, starting with this light brown shade called I've Got You Under My Skin. With the Sigma E40 blending brush, I'm going to blend it out at the outer corner and the outer crease. So this is going to be my transition shade. And then I'm also going to be smoking it out throughout my lower lash line. Using So In Love, which is a deeper shade of brown, I'm going to deepen the outer corner just a tad bit, and I'm using the same brush. Now it's time for the showstopper, which is the eyeliner, and this is the wand that I'm going to be using from Guide Beauty. It comes with a gel eyeliner as a set. I bought the black eyeliner for $50 along with the wand. They also have a brown eyeliner option. And I bought it from their website, which I'm going to link down below in the description box. The wand handle itself feels very comfortable. It almost feels like you're holding a pen or a pencil. And this is how the precision tip applicator looks. It's soft, it's flexible, and it's also replaceable. And talking about attention to detail, they also curved the precision tip a tad bit, so it follows along our lash line, which is also naturally curved. The tip also has an opening so you can see through it while applying the eyeliner for precision. This is a patent pending technology that has won several awards. There is a built-in finger rest on top for you to comfortably place your index finger while applying the eyeliner. I personally didn't need it. I was pretty comfortable holding it as a pen, but I just wanted to put it out there. And with that, this is a vegan, cruelty-free, and a clean beauty brand. All I'm going to do is saturate the tip using the eyeliner. Let's start by pulling out the wing. That was simple and super easy. I'm going to first outline my liner and then I'm going to fill it in. Unlike a brush, the applicator tip doesn't absorb or hold in any product. It deposits everything on the lash line. So once it's deposited all the product, you have to dip back into the eyeliner to apply more or to add to it. But the eyeliner itself is applying beautifully. It's dark and rich. If you like a really sharp eyeliner look, here's a trick. I use a nail art brush, which is a fine tip brush. I take some concealer and I clean up the edges of my eyeliner. To finish this eye look, I'm going to be using some mascara, but before that I'm curling my lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Grande Lash Mascara. Another tip if you have shaky hands is to place your elbow comfortably on a table while applying eyeliner so you get enough support. And here's the completed eyeliner look that was convenient, got done quick, and it was so comfortable. What attracted me to this brand is the founder herself, Terry Bryant, who's been a makeup artist for years. She does amazing makeup, but she later developed Parkinson's disease and was looking for easier ways to do makeup. Now, the eyeliner itself is waterproof and transfer resistant, but it's very easy to clean off the tip. All you have to do is wipe it off after every use. I'm going to finish this up with this beautiful long-lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra Cosmetics in Calle Ocho. And here is the completed look. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, so comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And do check out the description box for the products that I used, along with my social media links in case you plan to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.